Thank you, Honourable Member Inisio Ratu, for the question and opportunity to update this House on the digital services at the Registrar of Titles Office. As advised to this House on the 18th of April 2024, Cabinet approved the digitalization of legal registry with the Registrar of Titles Office as a priority. The digitalization work will be done in consultation with the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Communication. Honourable Speaker, land titles in Fiji dates back to 1800s. They form the foundation of ownership, economic activity, and investor confidence. Any transformation in this space must therefore be undertaken with utmost care to ensure the accuracy, integrity, and security of records. As the saying reminds us, the strength of a nation's economy rests on the certainty of its property rights. On the 11th of July 2024, I had also advised this House that earlier efforts toward digitization had not materialized into a functional system despite significant expenditure under previous initiatives. This experience have informed our current approach. We are determined to proceed in a structured, disciplined, accountable manner to ensure successful delivery. Mr. Speaker, sir, in March 2025, with the support of the Asian Development Bank, the Ministry reviewed the comprehensive scoping study, which recommended a phased implementation. We have adopted this approach to guide our digitalization process with Registrar of Titles. We are currently in the planning and preparation phase, supported by Asian Development Bank and overseen by the Ministry of Justice team with approval processes through the ITC Steering Committee. This phase includes project design, budgeting, governance framework, technical architecture, procurement preparation, privacy safeguards, and alignment of legislative reforms. This planning and preparation phase is expected to be completed by December of this year. Upon completion, we'll move into phase 1 implementation stage to begin tentatively February of 2027. Honourable Speaker, this reform is about building a modern, secure, trusted land registry, one that preserves over a century of records while making them accessible and fit for digital future. The Ministry is committed to delivering this reform carefully, responsibly, and successfully. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honourable Turanga, the Minister for Justice. The next thing is Oni. Are there any supplements?